Hi, today I'm producing HUAWEI NOVA 11 and I'll show you how to find and manage sound settings on this device. So first open the settings app, then tap to sounds and vibration. You could switch the ringtone theme to one from these available ones. You'll change the color, the ringtone, message, notification and alarm tones just about to this theme. Here we got sound, vibration and silent modes. We could just switch them by select one from the available ones. We could activate and turn off the don't disturb mode to set the shadow and to allow the calls, messages or notifications from no one, anyone, from contacts only, from start contacts. In volume section, we could change the volume of ringtones, the messages, notifications, alarm, music, videos, games and calls by swipe to the left or to the right side these dots on each of the volume panel. In default volume button control we got here the media and ringtone, so now with the help of the volume button I'll change the media's volume and I'll change it to the ringtone one, so now check, we could change the ringtone volume. Here we could change phone, message and notification, ringtones, tones. In more settings we could activate and turn off the startup sounds, keypad tones, screen lock unlock sounds, screenshot, screen touch sounds, vibration in ringing mode to use the system haptics, and in mobile broadcast we could also activate or turn off all of the alert and alert preferences options. So that's it, thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, leave thumbs up and subscribe.